Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop shop for comparing products so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the Lefant M210, and on the right, the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. Get ready for a head-to-head showdown of robotic cleaning titans. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with the most painful part of any shopping spree, the price. The Lefant M210 is a wallet-friendly $199. On the other hand, the Shark Matrix Plus comes in at a whopping $699. That's right, folks, you could buy 3 Lefants and still have enough for a decent dinner out. But hey, maybe the Shark comes with a gold-plated mop or something. Now, let's talk about suction power. Lefant M210 boasts a strong digital motor with a unique brushless suction port, ensuring pet hair and dirt don't stand a chance. Meanwhile, the Shark Matrix Plus promises incredible suction and sonic mopping. It's like the Shark is saying, why just vacuum when you can vacuum and mop at the same time? It's the multitasker we all aspire to be, but fail miserably at. The Shark's got the edge here, but let's not count the Lefant out just yet. The little guy's got heart. Next up, cleaning modes. The Lefant M210 offers 6 different cleaning modes: auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. And let's be honest, who doesn't love options? On the flip side, the Shark Matrix Plus uses a precision matrix grid for cleaning and has something called Clean Edge Detect, which sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Multiple passes over dirt and debris? Yes, please. But remember, folks, with great power comes great electricity bills. Pet owners, listen up. The Lefant M210 is marketed as great for families with pets. Its brushless suction design means no more tangled pet hair. Hallelujah! The Shark Matrix Plus, however, is the overachiever here. It's got powerful suction, sonic mopping, and a self-cleaning brush roll. It's like the Shark is saying, pets? I eat pet hair for breakfast. If you've got a house full of fur babies, the Shark might be your new best friend. Let's chat about smart features. The Lefant M210 has a smart app and voice control. You can schedule cleanings, adjust suction, and even give it commands through Alexa or Google Assistant. It's like having a tiny, obedient cleaning minion. Meanwhile, the Shark Matrix Plus offers precision home mapping with 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's basically a little robot ninja, avoiding obstacles and adapting to changes in your home. Plus, it empties itself and holds up to 60 days of dirt. That's right, it's like having a tiny housekeeper you don't have to tip. Battery life is crucial. The Lefant M210 gives you up to 120 minutes of runtime in low suction mode. That's 2 whole hours of uninterrupted cleaning joy. The Shark Matrix Plus, on the other hand, has recharge and resume, meaning it'll recharge and pick up where it left off. It's like the Energizer Bunny of robot vacuums. It just keeps going and going. So who wins here? Well, if you hate interruptions, the Shark's got your back. Both the Lefant M210 and Shark Matrix Plus receive praise from users for their unique strengths. Lefant M210 is appreciated for its ease of use, effective cleaning, and budget-friendly price. Reviewers highlight its performance on pet hair and various surfaces, although it may struggle with carpets and has some connectivity issues. On the other hand, the Shark Matrix Plus impresses users with its powerful suction, advanced mapping features, and dual vacuum mop functionality. Despite occasional glitches and a higher price tag, it is favored for its efficiency and ability to handle pet hair and different floor types. So there you have it, folks. The Lefant M210 is the budget-friendly underdog with a lot to offer, especially if you're a pet owner on a budget. Meanwhile, the Shark Matrix Plus is the luxury model with all the... Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.